Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a milestone. This is my first time doing an get unready with me skincare routine. I'm going to wash off my makeup with you guys here, and I'm going to walk you through the skincare that I use to cleanse my face, to moisturize, to hydrate, etc, etc. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this nighttime skincare routine. First of all, I'm going to remove some of my jewelry. I don't know where to put it. So in front of me, I have a giant salad bowl full of tepid water, and that's what I'm going to use to help remove my makeup today. I don't know about you guys, but I can't get the song No Limit stuck out of my head. Like, you know that song? I think it's by G-Eazy and Cardi B. Isn't it? Never hear anything from Cardi B. I'm like, yeah. Okay, let's jump right in. I made sure to wear a full face of makeup for you guys today. So I think what I'm going to start off by doing is removing my lipstick. I'm going into the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover with cornflower extract. It's an eye makeup remover, but it works also for liquid lipsticks because this is a last all day liquid lipstick, so it kind of lasts all day. So I just went ahead and dumped some of the eye makeup remover on the cotton pad. I take the cotton pad and I fold it over, and then I squish it. And I fold it over again and I squish it again, just to make sure that the product gets everywhere. And then I wipe off my lipstick. So that does a pretty good job of removing the lipstick. Now let's move on to face. So my preferred method of removing my makeup is with a cleansing oil. Some people love them, some people hate them. For me, I just find that using a cleansing oil just takes every little piece of makeup off, and I find the whole experience to be luxurious and cleansing and wonderful. So today I am using the Dior Hydra Oil to Milk Makeup Removing Cleanser. So this, just like every other makeup removing cleanser on the market, when you apply it, it feels like an oil texture, and the second you add water, it turns into a milk that just kind of helps dissolve and break down all of the makeup, and then you cleanse, and then you have a fresh, clean face. This one is sweet almond scented. 4 pumps seems to work for me. And then we just massage. And you know, for as much as I love to wear makeup, honestly, removing my makeup at night is one of the biggest pleasures I get in life. Like, don't get me wrong, I love makeup, I love to wear makeup, but removing my makeup at night is just such a fantastic feeling. So when it comes to my eye area, I will just press on my eye sockets just a few seconds to help break down the makeup. So as you can see, the makeup is melting off. I'm sure there's mascara left because I am wearing the Dior Pump and Volume Mascara, which is a really good mascara, but it leaves a lot of residue. How do I look, guys? Imagine if this becomes a makeup trend. Like leaving your house with your face half melted off. I'm sure, you know what, 2017 was pretty insane. I'm sure 2018 can bring a crazy makeup trend like this, like half melted off makeup face. I'm starting it, guys. If you see someone on Twitter or Instagram walking around with a face of makeup half melted off, you tag me in that. I started that trend. Okay, so I am now dipping my fingers into the salad bowl of tepid water, and we are going to take our wet hands and massage them onto our face. So for the next step, I'm going to use the Henricksen Nurture Wonderfeel Double Cleanser. I personally like to do a double cleanse method when I wash my face just because I wear a lot of makeup and I want to make sure that my face is sparkling clean. However, double cleansing is not necessarily something that you need to do. Since I already washed my face with an oil cleanser, I don't need to use that much second cleanser. And then using a clean towel, I'm just going to press the towel onto my skin, trying not to tug and rub on my skin too much. So now I'm using the NARS Skin Multi-Action Hydrating Toner. Then we're going to place this all over our skin. So what I do is after I use the cotton pad once all over my face, I go again for a second round, just because I want to make sure that if there's any makeup residue left, it is gone. Because the last thing I want to do is go to bed with makeup still on my skin. So after I tone my face, I go into eye contour cream immediately. So the reason I apply the eye contour cream immediately is so that it creates a barrier in my mind and also with the product itself, so that I won't end up applying any moisturizer on top of my eye area. So this eye contour cream I've been using for, I don't know, maybe a month. It's okay, it's not amazing, it's nothing to, you know, Scream from the Mountain. It's okay, it's not bad, it's not amazing. I'm not exactly sure what my thoughts are on it at the moment, so I think I'll wait before, you know, really giving my opinion. I'm on the hunt to find good eye contour cream, so if you know of a good hydrating eye cream, let me know down in the comments. So next up is the Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil. So I got the sample from Sephora maybe a couple weeks ago. I quite like it. I like this oil because it feels so soothing and hydrating, and it hasn't broken me out. It just feels so nice and nourishing, and it's so cold out and I have such dry skin that it just feels amazing. So next product is by First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration for Dry Parched Skin. I honestly think that this is way too much product for my face. After I apply the argan oil, I don't feel a need to apply that much moisturizer, but this stuff feels so good. So I got this at the same time as I got the argan oil, probably about a week and a half. I've just been on the hunt for super intensive hydrating moisturizers because my skin has just been so red and irritated and dehydrated. This combination of the argan oil with the moisturizer has helped diminish redness and dry flaky skin. Like I often get dry patches around my nose and my mouth. They're just like dry like circles almost. Like so when I wear foundation it looks really terrible. So for about 2 or 3 days I didn't wear makeup, like between Christmas and New Year I didn't wear any makeup. Applying this morning and night, and then throughout the day I would just keep this on hand, and I would just every now and then take a little bit and just like reapply it where the dry spots were, which was like generally around my nose and mouth area. I think it was just like really cold, so I kept blowing my nose a lot more. But doing this for a couple of days really helped. Like the redness is gone, the dry flakiness is gone. Like, my skin was really red, really irritated, really dry. Like I said, like little like you could see like spots of like dry patches. This combination of the Josie Maran Argan Oil topped off with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream definitely helped. If you have super dry skin, maybe try these. I can't guarantee it's gonna work for you, but it worked for me. So next up is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I just posted a video actually on a lip product review, so if you guys wanna see that, go click on that. I'm just gonna apply this on my lips to keep them nice and moisturized. Oh, before I forget, when you're washing your face, especially sensitive skin or if you have a lot of redness, make sure to wash your skin with water that is not super hot or super cold. Make sure it's somewhere in the middle. If you're washing your face with boiling hot water or ice cold water, it can actually cause some capillaries to break in your skin, which will then cause more redness. So just keep that in mind. And last but not least, we can't forget our hands. This is the Yves Rocher 2-in-1 Beautifying Hand and Nail Cream. It's supposed to be beautifying. Does that mean my hands are ugly before? Rude. And if I wanted to be really good to myself, I would also put on a good foot cream before going to bed. Maybe I'll do that in a little while because it's not exactly nighttime. I mean, it's evening time, but not exactly bedtime here. So I think this is all I have for you guys for today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope this gave you some tips and ideas about how to cleanse your face and moisturize it and treat it during the winter time. If you have super dry skin, you have all of my sympathy because my skin is very dry, and right now it is the coldest it has ever been in Montreal in like 150 years or something. So it's kind of intense, and my skin is definitely reacting. So I hope you guys can find some products or some techniques that help your skin feel less dry and irritated and parched. You know, winter won't last forever, hopefully. So hopefully we'll see spring and summer very soon. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you guys. I appreciate you watching my videos. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing weekend. And I think that's all I have for you guys for today. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.